Yeah, that's, what do you think that is? There's OddKast Chocolate for you, man. It's just dirty. I just need to clean it out and bleach it though, man. I gotta go. Oh, I can't hold it. I'm gonna go. I'm about to blow up my goddamn fucking van. Hold on. I can't shit. I can't shit on camera. I just can't do it. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll have to use the bathroom by myself. Got my toilet paper right here. Now I gotta find a bag to shit in, man. Had to go, man. I had to take a fat ass dump. There's OddKast Chocolate for you, man. That's my life. That's my fucking life right there. Luckily, there's not a hole in it, man. Shit all in this cooler. My ass is stuck to the cooler right now. I'm really sorry about this, man. I mean, when you gotta go, you have to fucking go. Shitting and pissing out of my ass at the same fucking time.
That looks like processed fucking wax, like from marijuana.
Oh, that is processed fucking food for my asshole. That's what that is, man.
Is it?
I took a shit in this cooler.
Oh, you love when you tell me about your poo-poos.
I don't know what the fuck you're saying, bitch. No. Oh, shit.